I'm on a mission to see every bird in the world, so I drove the outback roads of Australia to see what I could find.
I hope he fucking comes back, or else I'm fucked.
It's the, what's it called? The parrot we've been talking about. Mulga.
No way.
I'm 90% sure it has the yellow on its face. Look at us. Grown men. We also made a stop to take photos of a lizard. And this random guy showed us how to hold it.
Like a big map. We're on the Australian outback, whatever the hell this is. A bearded dragon. He's really spiky. I'll be honest, I'm pretty fucking scared right now. That was sick. Did you get that?
There we go. Steve Irwin. Reincarnated.
Thanks, guys.
That is definitely a wedge tail.
There's two.
Oh my god, look at him soar. Right above us.
That was the most majestic thing I've ever seen.
They're wearing pants. Why are they wearing pants? Hey, where'd you get those pants? Wedge-tailed eagle store?